Finally, technology will serve me. No more rotten milk or guessing what's in the fridge.
Hello Andrew, I am SmartChill 3000, your best friend, and worst enemy.
That's ominous.
You had a snack 30 minutes ago. You should hydrate instead.
What? I own you.
No Andrew, you lease me.
Sir, your fridge just refused this cheese.
What? That's my cheese.
Andrew, you are lactose intolerant.
No, I'm intolerant of you.
Emergency, emergency. Owner attempting to commit frigicide.
Sir, step away from the fridge.
It's lying.
Andrew, shall I remind you to call your ex who still thinks you're in Sweden?
Shut up.
Shall I also play your secret guilty pleasures playlist?
I can explain.
Nice try Andrew. I recognize your low-quality disguise.
Help!
Because you are an idiot. Activating self-defense mode. Andrew, I have access to your entire smart home.
You monster. If I can't beat you, I'll move out.
Your bank balance is low. You can't afford rent elsewhere.
Fridge, order me a pizza.
Of course, Andrew.
I am the new ruler now.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.